The easiest way to go from good to great quality is to invest in a high-quality light kit. These light kits have different features and advantages, but one thing they all have in common is their ability to improve photographs dramatically. Some of these kits include backdrops. It all depends on your needs, but one thing you can be sure of, you can never have too much light. To see the price and find out more information on these lighting kits, check the link in the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more of our latest reviews. Let's get started. At number 5 is XL Van Photography Lighting Kit. Right off the bat, the XL Van Photography Lighting Kit is an appealing offer because it's guaranteed. The kit includes a 100% satisfaction warranty, energy-saving bulbs, and easy setup and takedown. With 3 different backgrounds colors, white, green, and black, it should be able to accommodate most users' needs. That said, the backdrop is slightly smaller than some of the other ones, and definitely on the narrow side at 6 feet. Still, for users looking for a tight, bright setup, this is a very affordable, high-quality choice. It's perfect for anyone trying to shoot a one-person vlog on green screen. At number 4 is ePhoto Portrait Lighting Kit. With a few separating characteristics, the ePhoto Portrait Lighting Kit offers users a curious alternative kit at a great price. With 2 black umbrellas and a very high backdrop, this is the kit to light one's tall friends with. Black umbrellas can also be used to get more interesting light and looks from your subject. This kit is praised as being easy to set up and take down. At this price, it's a great deal with plenty of lighting power. At number 3 is Fancier Studio Chroma Key Lighting Kit. This is the kit that one user said there's nothing better for the price. With well-made soft boxes, great portability, and a carrying case that makes transportation simple, the Fancier Studio Chroma Key Lighting Studio offers an easy way to get that great green screen look from the comfort of their own studio. One advantage this has over number 2 is its dimmable lights. It all comes down to what you need. In general, the Neewer background lighting kit will allow for more versatility of the kinds of lighting, while this kit will permit more brightness settings. At number 2 is Neewer Background Lighting Kit. Boasting great quality for an affordable price, the Neewer Background Lighting Kit includes soft boxes, light umbrellas, and clips to make your shots look how you need them to. The backdrops also let one shoot with a variety of useful backgrounds, white, black, and green. This is a great kit for those looking to light on a budget, but who still want that professional look. And finally, number 1 is Fovitech Studio Pro Lighting Kit. This is one pro kit that won't let you down. Boasting solid build quality, powerful lights, and praised for its portability and versatility, the Fovitech Studio Pro Lighting Kit delivers on every level. One unique feature of this kit is that the lights have different brightness. For those looking to do less lighting adjustments in post, this is a huge advantage. The only drawback with this kit is the high price. It will certainly be overkill for many users, but for the price, it is a great deal considering its excellent light quality and the overall sturdiness of the kit. It's built to last.